Hi, I'm James from Interconnection, and I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam in your printer. Now, most printers, including some inkjet printers, you're going to have two areas. You're going to have the tray where the paper is fed from. It's going to come out up the top, and you're usually also going to have an access panel. Now, what happens is it's going to feed the paper like this. Now, if the paper should get curved or something like this, it can cause a paper jam. Now, what you want to do is access the access panels. First thing I like to do is take the bottom tray out, see what it looks like in there. If you can easily, very carefully pull the paper, that works great. Just make sure you don't tear it, otherwise you're going to have a lot of little pieces of paper to chase down. In this case, we have an access panel up here, where you could potentially have access to the jammed piece of paper. Just locate it, slowly and easily, with force, pull it on out, thus clearing the jam. After that, close it up, continue printing. I'm James, Computer Hardware Training Coordinator for Interconnection.